Spunky Park. Snacks, rides, zero drama. Perfect.
Yo, why are robots attacking the park?
And there goes the relaxing part.
Bro, the whole park got wrecked!
Yeah, I do not think it is opening tomorrow.
Tomorrow? This place needs a whole miracle!
Chill. We can build somewhere new.
This empty spot? Okay, I see the vision.
Ta-da!
Start with snacks. Always start with snacks.
Ice cream shop coming right up.
Wait, hot dogs and pizza too. Let's go.
Your food priorities are finally useful.
Rooftop hangout spot. Fancy.
And a slide, obviously.
Hold up. How are they building this so fast?
1 minute in, and they already have a roller coaster.
Wow.
No way!
Welcome to Spunkyland, where logic takes a break.
There's a pool too?
And a DJ booth for your dramatic entrance music.
Bro, forget the music! They built a whole roller coaster!
Okay, this ride is actually kind of awesome.
You can grab snacks while riding? Peak design!
And shower after. Very convenient.
I'm moving in! Nobody stop me!
Look, Huntrix and the Saja boys as little block figures.
Team up time! We need everybody for this chaos!
Nice. That robot just became free building pieces.
And we're turning them into a stage? That's wild!
Perfect for a concert showdown.
Saja boys, you're first! Bring the energy!
Those scores look pretty low. Is that out of 5?
Oh!
Yeah, guys, maybe wrap up the performance.
Huntrix! Save this show! Get up there!
Okay, now this already looks better.
Wait, we need the scores! Show the scores!
There we go. The judges know what's up.
Uh-oh! Someone is moving way too fast right now!
Especially for someone this slow-looking.
Don't worry, I've got a plan. Probably.
Using the head as a build piece? Honestly, smart.
Okay, first we need huge wheels. Serious wheels.
Steering wheel too, unless you want pure chaos.
Police car upgrade. Now this is official.
One car is not enough for this chase.
2 cars, double speed, double drama.
That one definitely looks built for speed.
It literally says speed on top. That's proof.
All right, officers, time to gear up.
Go, go, go! Catch that sneaky kitty!
At minimum, she is getting a ticket for that driving.
And a very serious, slow down, please.
Oh, hey, Derby.
Bro looks hungry. Lunch emergency.
Ooh.
Let's check the cupboard first.
Empty? No, no, no. This is tragic.
Aw.
Relax. We can build him something.
Wait, what is she making? I need answers.
Aw, Sussy wants to help too.
But Derby is hungry now. Hurry.
Good thing she packed the magic wand.
Yo, giant hot dog and ketchup. Let's go.
I would add pickles, but okay.
Mustard 2. Load it up. Load it up.
Not gonna lie, that looks pretty good.
Derby, this masterpiece is all yours.
Oh look, the block police are here.
Wait, they brought a message?
Huh?
Nick, Gary, and Judy are missing. That's not great.
Zoom in! Zoom in!
Oh.
Grab the magnifying glass. Detective mode activated.
We can't find Judy? Fine. We'll build our own Judy.
And she needs her fox buddy with her.
Wait, is that a tiny snake on her shoulder?
Random, but honestly, welcome to the team.
Yo, crane machine! Everybody grab your coins!
We are collecting block friends pretty fast today.
Come on, give us Sonic! Give us Sonic!
Nice bull.
We got enough figures for a whole party now!
A party needs drinks, Raddy.
Soda! We need soda right now!
Calm down. We have a solution.
Build a soda machine! Yes! Genius!
Make sure the cans can slide out smoothly.
Put the flavors on there. I need options.
And some decorations, because presentation matters.
Wow.
Test run! Test run! Let's do it!
Wow, it is already fully stocked.
First soda is free! Come grab one!
After that, $1 each. Business is business.
Coins ready, everybody! The soda shop is open.
All right, drinks for everyone. Party time.
Whoa! That party was huge! Look at all this candy!
This marshmallow has a surprise center.
Wait! We're melting all the gummies together? This is candy science!
Look at that. Nice and bubbly.
Let it cool, and boom! Candy Dude unlocked.
Oh, he stretches too. That's useful.
And he squishes down. Bro has skills.
Wow, he can reach all over the place. Pretty impressive for a brand new candy guy.
Wait, he was supposed to set up the birthday party?
No problem. We can handle it. Starting with a custom candle.
One candle. Keep it simple, I guess.
Perfect size for this tiny cupcake.
Light it up. Make it sparkle.
Okay, birthday boy. Make your wish.
Here you go.
All right, time for art class.
Circle lesson. Easy. I got this.
Okay, show us your best circle.
That is more like a wobbly potato.
And the teacher does not look impressed.
Wait, can we get extra credit somehow?
We need a tool that draws perfect circles.
A compass. I knew that. Totally knew that.
Sure you did. Let's build one.
Attach it.
Ooh.
Careful. Careful!
Now slide the pencil into place.
Yo, perfect ovals unlocked! We're artists now!
That grade is about to go way up.